Hey gang, Brendan here from Earth Bites. Just wanted to give you a quick lesson on square foot gardening. So you can see here I've drawn out 3 separate squares in our garden. Each one of them is a foot square or 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters. And I got 3 different things I'm going to be planting today. So I've got carrots here in this square. We're going to do some spinach in this square. We're going to do some kale in this square right here. So carrots, you can fit 16 in one square because they're not very big. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do 4 rows of 4. I'm going fingernail deep. I'm going to put about 5 seeds in each hole and then cover them up. So spinach, we need to space out a little bit more because the plants are going to get bigger. So with this one, we're going to do 1, 2, 3 rows of 3. So we're going to have 9 spinach in the end. This one works really good for lettuce as well. With spinach, you want to put about 2 seeds in each hole. With lettuce, you probably want to go closer to 5. All right, lastly here we've got some kale. Now kale, a lot of the guides will tell you can only do 1 because kale's going to get really big in the end. I like to eat a lot of kale. I like to eat the kale when it's small and kind of like baby kale as well. So the way I do it is I do 5. You could do lettuce like this as well if you've got a larger variety of lettuce. So you do 1 in each corner, so you've got 4 and then 1 right in the middle, and that'll help fill it up. Just make sure that you're eating the lettuce or the kale, especially the ones that are on the outside of the square first, so that you can leave that one in the middle to get nice and big. With kale and lettuce, you're going to want to put 4 or 5 seeds for each one in there. Very fingernail deep, yet again, cover it up when you're done. Alright, so we talked a lot about spring plants, but maybe you're starting to think about your summer plan and how you want to plant your summer stuff. A lot of the summer stuff is going to get a lot bigger. Cucumbers, tomatoes, squash, melons, they can easily take up a whole square, so you're going to want to put just 1 hole right in the middle of a square. They also can get so big, like a zucchini, that they're going to take up 4 squares, 2 or 4 squares. So if I wanted a nice big zucchini, I'd actually go right in the middle of those 4 squares. Something like a cucumber or a squash where it vines out, do 1 in the middle and then train that all the way around your garden so that you can maintain some space for other plants in there. We'll do a little bit more on some summer planting when we get some of our summer transplants ready to go and show you more. So that's a nice easy way that you guys can plan out your garden and maximize the amount of space that you have with the amount of varieties of plants. That's how we like to plant our Earth Bites garden. Hopefully everyone's staying safe at home and getting out there and getting your hands dirty a little bit. We'll see you again real soon for another Earth Bites at Home lesson.